Ryan here, Silly Reviews. We're going to take a look at and review Concord Foods lemon juice from Walmart. I'm going to do a little review, give you some information on this.
If you find this video entertaining or helpful, use the Super Thanks button. That's how it looks on your mobile device. And this is what Super Thanks looks like on your desktop or your laptop.
My favorite thing about Concord Foods lemon juice from Walmart, it's under $1. 4.5 fluid ounces, under $1. If we turn to the back and look at the ingredients, there's really nothing to it. There's no calories in it. It's lemon juice from concentrate. So it's water and lemon juice concentrate. It's got some sodium bisulfite in there, sodium benzoate. Those are preservatives, natural lemon oil, and it contains the concentrates from the United States, Argentina, and South Africa. A popular question about this product I read online, people want to know, is Concord Foods lemon juice real? Yeah, it's real. It's reconstituted. What does reconstituted mean? Well, it's water mixed in with lemon juice that was evaporated. And that's basically it. It's not fresh from the tree, but it's a good price for me. Now, when you go to open this, the plastic seal is going to be tightened up on there and you can't remove the little top. There's no film underneath the top. What you do is grab something pointy. Be careful. You can use the end of a knife. You can use an ice pick. You could use a fork. I'm going to use pointy fork prong right here and just jab it right through that plastic. That's going to give us an opening to where we can use this lemon juice in our delicious cold brew iced tea. You give it a squirt, 2 squirts. This iced tea is pretty good, but when it comes to lemon, it was hurting for a squirt, and I'll tell you that much. Another popular question about this lemon juice from concentrate is it gluten-free? Yeah, it should be gluten-free. It should be dairy-free, egg-free, peanut-free, all that. Not much to it. 2 thumbs up. It's a great deal. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking the video.
Subscribe!
And turn on notifications.